In this video, we will see what is Toeplitz matrix and what to do in this program. This is a matrix given to us, and what is Toeplitz matrix, in which all the diagonal elements are same. Suppose this is a diagonal, so 5 and 5, the elements are same. This is another diagonal, 1 1 1, so elements of these diagonals are same. In this diagonal, elements are 2 2, so elements of this diagonal is also same. And here is 3 and 3, this is also same. So this is a Toeplitz matrix, so we will get true as an output. Now see another example. This is a matrix in which we have to see the diagonal elements. So in this matrix there is only one diagonal. We are seeing here left diagonals, so the elements of these diagonals are different, so this is not a Toeplitz matrix, so output will be false. This matrix will be Toeplitz matrix only when the elements of this position and this position are same. If here there is 1 in place of 2, then this matrix can also be called Toeplitz matrix. So index of 1 is 0 0. So we have to check this element and this element. So how can we check this element? Suppose the name of matrix is M. So we can check M of 0 0 and M of 1 1. For this we have to check M of 1 1. So you can notice that 1 is 1 greater than 0. So suppose this the position of this element is M of I j. So the position of this element should be M of I plus 1 and j plus 1. So we have to apply this condition to make proper code of this problem. Suppose we are checking this diagonal element. So index of this 5 is, name of matrix is M. So M of 1 and M of 0. This is index of 5. Now for this 5, this element index should be 2 1. How can we access this element? Through indexing, and the index of this 5 is 2 1. So we can notice the pattern. The pattern is, this is M of I of and j, and this should be I plus 1 and j plus 1. So this is a pattern through which we can check the diagonal elements. Same if we do for this diagonal. We can say 0 0 index and 1, this one index is 1 1. So 0 plus 1 1, and here also 0 plus 1 1. For this element index is 2 2. So from this position, if we do plus 1 in both the index, so we get this. For this element, for this diagonal also, the value is 0 1, and for this 2, index value is 1 2. So this is just simply increment by 1. For this value, index is 2 3. So if we increment by 1 to this index, we can get this element. So this is condition we should check. Now see the program. So we have to apply two nested loops. First loop will go through 0 to 2, just because from this index, this element, we have to check this. No need to check this element. Number of rows in this matrix is 3 and number of column in this matrix is 4. So we will apply our first loop to 0 to r minus 1. We will here create a function called is Toeplitz matrix. Here we will pass the name of matrix. Now I am creating here a loop. Length of matrix minus 1. Now the second loop will be length of matrix, here 0 minus 1. Now our condition should be matrix I j if it is not equals to matrix I plus 1 j plus 1. Then simply return false. If condition is not true and all the diagonal elements are same and verified, then here we will return true. Now let's run the program. Here we get true as our output.